Microwave oven. The microwave oven is a marvel of modern kitchen appliances. It operates on a simple yet fascinating principles. It generates microwave radiation, which excites water molecules in food, causing them to heat up. This rapid heating is what makes microwave ovens a quick and efficient way to prepare meals. Inside the microwave, you'll find a magnetron, capacitor, and diode, all essential for the generation of microwaves. The rotating plate ensures even heating by preventing hot spots. Safety is paramount when using microwaves. The microwave door is made of a special glass with shield. The shield prevents harmful microwaves from escaping while allowing you to see your food as it cooks. A safety interlock system ensures the microwave only operates when the door is securely closed. Microwave power settings, of regulators, are what allow you to adjust the cooking intensity. These settings control the on-off cycle of the microwave, allowing for high and low power cooking. Common challenges with microwaves include uneven heating and sparking. Uneven heating can be caused by the shape and arrangement of the food or issues with the rotating plate. Spark usually results from metal objects or containers unsuitable for microwave use. Regular cleaning and proper usage are essential to maintain your microwave's functionality. Toasters. The toasters is a kitchen essential designed for one specific purpose, to toast bread. It's a simple but ingenious device. When you insert slices of bread into the slots and push down the lever of toaster, an internal mechanism of toaster gets activated. Two metal wires, called filaments, heat up rapidly when an electric current passes through them. The filaments are carefully positioned near the bread slices. As they heat up, they transfer their heat to the bread, toasting it to your desired level of crispiness. The toaster's adjustable timer allows you to control the toasting duration, so you can have your toast just the way you like it, whether it's lightly golden or perfectly crispy. Some toasters also come with additional features like defrosting and reheating functions, making them versatile kitchen appliances. Toasters are generally safe to use, but it's important to be cautious and never insert anything other than bread slices into the toaster slots to avoid accidents by toasters. Washing machine and dishwashers. Washing machine. The washing machine revolutionized laundry day. It features a drum where you load your clothes and a system that combines water, detergent, and mechanical action to clean your garments. Inside the washing drum, an agitator or drum paddle helps move the clothes and distribute the water and detergent evenly. The machine's motor drives the drum's rotation. Most modern washing machines offer various wash cycles, temperatures, and spin speed to accommodate different types of fabrics and levels of soiling. Dishwasher. Dishwashers streamline the tedious task of dishwashing. They work by spraying hot water and detergent onto your dirty dishes. The dishwasher's pump circulates water through spray arms to ensure true-off cleaning. The water is then drained, and the dishwasher might go through a rinse cycle. Dishwashers offer multiple wash programs, such as normal, heavy, and eco settings, to suit your needs. Both washing machine and dishwashers have sensors and safety features to prevent overflows and leaks, making them efficient and safe use. Thank you for watching. You can also like, share and subscribe to our channel to support us make useful videos.